Good day, Mount Washington. Mike here. I am stoked to share with you a whole bunch of new improvements that we've been working on this off-season to make your skiing and riding experience more enjoyable here at Mount Washington. This past off-season, we spent nearly $3 million in upgrades to the resorts, from business operation improvements to operations out on the hill. Let's go check them all out. Mountain operations got a big boost this summer with more than $1.2 million being spent in the mountain environment. We started with brush cutting over on the Sunrise Chair, working from Invitation and Fantastic, working our way across to Whiskey Jack, over to Upper Westerly, down Upper Exhibition, and then into the Nordic area where we brushed out Jutland, Disco Road, and also up to some portions of the hub. We've done all this just to allow us to operate with lower snow conditions and allow us to get the mountain open a little bit earlier for your sliding enjoyment. Plus, we've added improvements to the night skiing in our green zone. We've had mechanical upgrades to both the Hawk and the Whiskey Jack chairlifts, as well as adding snowmaking to the two parks so that we can get it open earlier this season. The Mountain Ops team also got a bunch of new toys to play with, including a couple of new snow cats from Piston Bully. One of them's a winch cat, the other's a conventional cat. We also purchased a new excavator and added a number of fleet trucks to the vehicles to allow our staff to go out and do a lot of the improvements that I've been speaking about during this video. We've also made sure to include some additional improvements to the bike park, which you'll be able to see next summer for the start of 2026. Well, folks, you spoke and we listened. We spent a lot of time in the off-season here making significant enhancements to the Alpine Lodge. We have a long way to go. However, we have started with painting out the foyer, painting out the bistro. We put a nice new shiny bar top here on the top of Ted's, along with a brand new tap set as well, to serve you with plenty of fresh beer from around Vancouver Island. Our hospitality team's been hard at work revamping menus, and we've hired a new executive chef back to the resort. We've also been working hard at renovating a new space upstairs, which we'll share with you in the coming weeks. All I can say is I love to party on a powder day, but I also love to party for après. A few other improvements I'd like to tell you about include a new bus for our transportation system, enhanced parking down at the base parking lot, drainage improvements to parking lot number 1, as well as almost $200,000 in rental gear for both our Alpine and Nordic rental centers. We've also enhanced our pre-season guest services by having the Seasons Pass office, outdoor elements, and the bistro open on weekends so that you can come up, get your pass, do a little bit of shopping, and get yourself prepped and ready to rock and roll for the start of the 25-26 season. Well, folks, I hope you appreciate all the improvements we've made for you this past summer. A lot of this has all been driven around one thing. It's the sport of skiing and making this place a super special place. At the root of what we do, it's our staff, it's you, our guests, and it's the thriving mountain community of skiing on Vancouver Island. I can't wait to see you for a hot lap, and we'll all be welcoming you up to the mountain real soon.